Imagine or visualize a light. What color is your light today? This light will calm you. What color is your light? Make it crisp and clear in your mind. And will this calming light feel cool to you or warm to you today? Now imagine this light hovering above your head. It's going to relax you. Start at the very top of your head and have it move down your face, down the back of your neck, calming you, down your shoulders, down your chest, relaxing your upper arms. And you breathe deeper as you relax. The light moves from your chest down your tummy, relaxing your back, down your hips, and your sit bones feel heavy and relaxed. Your arms feel heavy and relaxed. Your hands feel heavy and relaxed. Now moving down your thighs, the light moves down, making them feel heavy and relaxed. Your knees also feel relaxed. Moving down your shins, and the light relaxes your calf muscles. Moving down your ankles and down your feet, and the light shoots out the tip of your toes as you continue to breathe deeply, heavily, and your whole body feels relaxed.